Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. So in this video I'll tell you why your iPhone video recordings have no sound when using CarPlay and what you can do about it. If you have ever recorded a video on your iPhone while connected to Apple CarPlay only to find out later that there is no sound at all, you are not imagining things and you are definitely not alone. This is a frustrating issue that has been affecting many iPhone users, especially those with an iPhone running iOS 18. So in this video I'll tell you how can you fix this issue, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is change audio recording to mono. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to camera option. Next, tap on record sound and then select mono from here. Some users report that this helps capture audio while connecting to CarPlay. This setting affects all videos and you will need to remember to change it back afterward. And you are done. Next thing I'm going to tell you, use the photo mode video trick. For this, open the camera app and leave it in the photo mode. Next, press and hold the shutter button, then slide it to right to start recording video. Oddly, videos recorded this way seem to capture sound even while connected to CarPlay. A few people swear by this method, so it's worth trying. And you are done. And also you should avoid CarPlay during recording. The most reliable method is simply disconnect the CarPlay before recording. It's inconvenient, yes, but it ensures your video captures sound as expected. And you are done. I hope this video will help you, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.